Hey friends, today we're thrifting at Goodwill in the Antiques Parlor. I'm looking for gently used furniture for the she shed. I'll also be sharing the new desk that Tom built and the wharf lot for the outside. I'm Janet. Welcome to the Cleveland Cottage, where vintage decor, thrifted finds, and curated cottage charm come together to create warm and inviting spaces. I'm so happy you're here, so let's get started. I'm not sure if I want to buy a gently used sofa or a new one with fold-out bed for guests, so I wanted to see what was available. I love the look of vintage pieces, but I'll have to find something clean and that I truly love, because recovering an entire sofa is definitely out of my wheelhouse. I keep procrastinating recovering my dining room chairs because I've never done it. Recovering an entire sofa would definitely be a daunting task. These chairs were clean and in really good condition, however I think they're a little too large to go under the windows. I really didn't like this brown sofa, but I just love these cream colored sectional pieces. I'm not really looking for pillows today until I find the sofa that I want, but it never hurts to look. This crocheted blanket had the right coloring, but I want something softer and that will blend with the sofa once we find it. I'm looking for chairs, but I really want to find matching ones to go by the windows, and I really want something neutral or with pastel colors, and I don't think these two fit the bill. This gray sofa looked really comfy, but I don't want another dark sofa. The cats and dog will not be in the shed, so I want to get a lighter color. Normally, Goodwill has a large selection of lamps, but pickings were slim today. I love the white lamp and would have bought it, but I tested it at the register and it didn't work. I know that I cannot rewire lamps, so that was a hard pass. Let's head on over to the Antiques Parlor to see if they got in any new furniture. As soon as I walked through the doors, I was in love with these two love seats. They were surprisingly comfortable. I told Tom that if they're not sold by the time I'm ready to buy the sofa, that I may get one and we can use an inflatable mattress for guests. On the last visit, they didn't have a lot of those shabby chic looking lamps with the crystals, but I did find some today. I promised myself that I wasn't going to impulse buy. If I find something I really love for the shed and it was meant to be, it'll still be here when I'm ready to buy it. Although this floor lamp is a darker color, I could paint it any color that I want, and it has small crystals on it. Here's another one. It has tassels and it was reasonably priced. I wasn't looking for a magazine rack, but this is unique and it could also be painted. Every time I visit, I keep finding beautiful mirrors. I have one almost exactly like this one in my dining room. I think these Baroque mirrors transform any room because of the layered and elegant designs. I found two matching chairs, but I would have to paint and recover the seats. Look at this telephone. That's a throwback to the 80s for sure. This large basket would be nice to paint and add some soft pillows and blankets for those cold winter nights. I'm thinking of adding a floral painting in an ornate frame. This one is a good price and matches the color scheme. There's another one that I'll find later. Let me know in the comments which one you like best. If you're enjoying today's video, please like and subscribe. I would so appreciate you helping the channel grow, and it's free. The owners moved all the garden furniture to one section, and I just love all of it for the backyard. I wish they had two of these chairs because this is a low profile and would look great by the window. I could always have mismatched chairs. I'm not set on having them match. Would you go with matching chairs or not? This McCoy vase is vintage and pink, so it's definitely a contender for the she shed. Here's another contender, and it's pink too. Here's the other floral print that I was telling you about. I like them both, but I think that I'll only have room for one in a mirror. So let me know which one you like, because I truly like them both. Here's those mini chandeliers that I told you about in the last video. There are 3, so let me know which one is your favorite. I think that I like the first and the last one the best, but let me know what you think. We'll finish up here and I'll show you the desk and the new outside light. I'll show the installation of the desk in an upcoming video. Hopefully by then Tom will have the bookcase finished. He's starting them tomorrow and we're almost finished. Just a few odds and ends after the bookcases and we'll be ready to move in and start decorating. I am so excited. Here she is. I still have to paint the cabinets and the walls, but I think I'm going to wait until Tom has the bookcases installed. Here's the new solar wharf light. Tom got it off Amazon and it stays lit all night. It's still going when we have our morning coffee on the porch. Thank you so much for thrifting with me today, and let me know in the comment what items you would buy for the she shed. Until the next time, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you then. Bye.